how to properly cash out on dumps using X2 software with jcop. Everything after the 4 digits and then the 3 digits, so 7 in. This is all the discretion data. So copy that, paste it. If I badgered the meanings or definitions, my bad. It's been a long day. Click Omni key here, obviously, unless you have another device for a writer. A lot of people tell you that you got to change all this other shit. Not true. Expiration date, as I mentioned before, it's the first 4 digits here. So 2204. So we're going to put 2204. So that's the year, the month, April. Expiration, how many days there are in April. So it's 30 days in April. And then, again, a lot of people say that you gotta click this and do 4 years minus that, but you don't need to do that because later on it'll make sure that there's a spot where we activate it. The AID that discretes between Visa, MasterCard, Discover, and Amex. For Visa, it's 31010. MasterCard is 41010. Country code, if you're in the States, which might be, country code is 0840. Same for currency code, which is for the US dollar. PIN, obviously, PIN's right over here. 9421, sorry. Okay, so now that we got all that stuff, make sure it's all good, all filled out. It won't let you go through, so here I'll show you, just for a couple numbers short. It's not going to credit it. It'll say track 2 is short, so obviously it's like got to be that 37 digits. So then we'll go right. You can see up there the Omni key is working its magic. Thought and plotting out there. All right, complete. All right, and then now what we're gonna do is we're gonna take an actual live card. You gotta get the IST. If you have the IST, you can use that, or you can generate your own. Personally, I like to generate my own. Here's the IST files, again, which I have, by the way, if you guys need. Usually I'll sell everything in packages. So we're looking for 438 Chase, 438 854. Instead of scrolling through all this shit, it's usually just easier to generate your own. 438. Where are you at? No, I got it. Where is it here? There it is. Chase, here we go. Sorry guys. There we go. Chase IST. Alright. It's there. So alright, so here we're gonna load. This is the ZLD file, not sure what it is, what that stands for. So we're gonna load that.